the Home Minister Amit Shah having spoken with chief ministers of all states, speaking to them, asking them to identify Pakistani nationals and then deport them, for which they are now going to be implementing the identification exercise. That is what is the move that now the Home Minister has asked the states to take, and which is why he's spoken with the chief ministers of all the states. This really comes about after that decision that has been taken in retaliation to the attack that took place in Pahalgam, with the central government there saying that all Pakistani nationals need to leave the country. Aishwarya, my colleague, joining us to get us more on this. Aishwarya, after that ultimatum has been given of the 29th of this month, even if it's on medical grounds, and of course a shorter duration is given to others to leave the country. We've also seen some sort of movement at the Wagah border, the Atari border, of people trying to cross to the other side. But this really is Amit Shah there ensuring that this is implemented through this identification exercise.
Well, to implement the decisions made by the CCS under the chairmanship of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, now the Home Minister of our country had spoken to every Chief Minister of the states and union territories and had asked them to identify the Pak nationals who are living in the country and to deport them. This is a big step just after the MEA had issued the guidelines that by 27th of April, every Pakistani citizen had to leave India, and those on the medical grounds had to leave India by 29th of April. Of course, the exception had been given to the long-term visas that were issued by the Indian government to the Hindus living in India. But apart from it, every Pakistani had to be deported, and that's where Home Minister Amit Shah, the sources have indicated to us, had spoken to the chief ministers of all the states and union territories. Now, following that, what we've been told is the identification process in every district of the country that will begin under the team that will be constituted by different state governments. The chief ministers have been given direction by the Home Minister. It will come down to the district level, and there would be the teams that would be appointed that will identify the Pak nationals who are living in different part of the country, and they will be told to leave India before 27th of April. Those who are in the hospitals, those who are on the medical grounds, those will be also told to leave before 29th of April. So an exercise has started to implement the process, and this is after the Pahalgam terror attack, and these are crucial steps being taken by the country to deport the Pakistanis from India. And just after that, now what we are witnessing on the Wagah-Atari border, that heavy crowd was seen since the day when the decision was taken. People from different parts of the country, the Pak nationals, are reaching to the Indian checkpoints where they will be going back. Of course, there had been several people who had made their comments that they are living in very far part of the country, but the ultimatum is ultimatum, and they have to leave the country. If not, then certainly an action will be taken against those Pakistani national citizens who will not obey the guidelines of the Indian government.